Hello friends! Today I have brought a new video for you. To connect your Apple ID on your iPhone, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. 3. Scroll down and tap on Sign into your iPhone or iTunes and App Store. 4. Tap on Use your Apple ID for FaceTime, messages, and more, or use your Apple ID for iCloud, App Store, and more. 5. Enter your Apple ID and password in the provided fields. 6. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your trusted device or phone number. 7. Finally, follow any additional prompts to complete the process. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully connect your Apple ID to your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.